So, guys, today I have a very weird setup. Starting off right away, I actually have a camera up here, and then I have a camera right here, recording everything. If you guys would like to see the setup, make sure you check out members down below. Become a member today, and I am posting all my stuff on my members tab. I will be posting a lot more information, including different things I'm deciding whether or not I want to do on the channel, asking members their input and their decisions too, obviously, because if you're a member of the channel, you're part of the family. But with that being said, though, let's go ahead and get right into this. So, today we'll be looking at the Surface Duo 1. I actually did put the bumper case. I was surprised I put the bumper case on because, to be honest, I'm not too much of a fan of the bumper case, but I gave it a chance. I mean, it still has that little bit of a... me show you guys this real fast. A little bit of a little bump. You see the guys? Bam. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at Launcher 10 on Android 12L for the Surface Duo 1. I'll be honest, after using it, because again, like I said before, I was going to make the Duo 2 my daily driver. I decided to make Duo 1 my daily driver. I changed it up on you guys. Main reason why is because I love the Duo 1. I absolutely love this phone. And I feel like the Duo 2, while yes, it's cool as your daily driver, it has specs that really just match most flagship phones nowadays. While this phone really doesn't, but it's still an amazing phone nonetheless. So of course, yes, I do have Launcher 10 on this, and it works really good, surprisingly. And what I mean by that is, guys do not know, in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Launcher 10 did not work at all. It was absolutely a bust. It would not even load correctly, and it crashed every 10 seconds. And for the most part, when I first set this up, it actually crashed like every 5 seconds. And applications, I tried to move them over, they wouldn't work. If I reset the phone, everything just got completely wiped, and I had to redo everything, which was really freaking annoying. But I think I got everything figured out. And if you guys have never seen Launcher 10, it is pretty much Windows 8, but for Android phones. And I know Windows 8 was the worst Windows of all time. I understand that, but to be honest, this is so much better when it's for a cell phone. It's like, Windows 8 was not bad if you had a tablet. It was just trash if you had an actual PC. Nah, it was actually the trash, so let's be honest. Windows 8 was not it, boys. But anyway, though, taking a look at this, you guys are new to Launcher 10. Pretty much you can scroll to the right hand side. You have all your applications right here ready to go whenever you need them. And you can go ahead and just hold on to any application, pin it to your start, and it will go ahead and show up on your screen. So you have pin to start, edit, app information, uninstall, reinstall any applications. And of course you can move these over, make them different sizes. If you do buy the premium service, which I think is like $5, it's so freaking worth it. You get live tiles. You also get the ability to see, I think it's like the app color you can change. You can change a lot of things. And you can like see the live clock right here, show calendar live, show clock live, contacts live, and gallery live, which is really awesome. But if you click on any application, though, you can make them any size you want, all the way up to, I think this is 7x7, which is freaking dope. You could also do custom icons, custom colors, so you can really just absolutely customize this fully. And this is why I love this. Why I absolutely love this is because of that reason. Now, I was so hoping we would get Android 12L on this so that we could actually get, 12L's taskbar and see how it worked. Because I'm telling you right now, if 12L's taskbar was on the bottom here, this would be the biggest W to this phone. Can you imagine, like, you're scrolling through the apps, whatever, I'm going to go to NFL here, and then taskbar pops up right here, and I go, I want to go to that application. It would be so amazing. But again, like I said, sadly that's not the case. But it still works perfectly fine in either mode. So if you are going to be rocking Launcher 10, it does work in either side. Let me see. Come on. There we go. I have actually not had that issue yet. This is the first time I'm actually having this issue right here, where it's switching displays. I know on the Surface Duo 2, this is not a feature. You cannot switch displays like I just did. on the Surface Duo 1, you're still able to do it. I don't know why it was glitching out right there. But that's another thing. So, how has Android 12L's, like, how has the software been? I'll be honest with you, when I first got this, right? When I first picked this up, which of course was a couple days ago, I did an unboxing video. The software when I got this out of the box was absolutely hellacious. And I know, yes, obviously we already know when the software first launched, this was absolutely god-awful. You know, it was the worst software of all time. That's why it was a big, flop and people got upset and angry. But no, I'm telling you, it's amazing. If you go back and you use the original software, Android 10, on this phone, pick it up from Microsoft, not Microsoft, from Amazon, for like $300. Just get the phone and use Android 10 on it. It is literally like pulling teeth out of your head. I go into the application, crashes. Try to download something, doesn't work. It was an absolute travesty. I should have recorded myself doing it. But you know what? It honestly would probably give you guys headaches watching it. So, but after I went ahead and downloaded all the stuff, it's actually like 2.3 gigabytes from Android 10 to Android 12L. It absolutely is amazing. This is so fluent, and I cannot believe this is an 855 processor. Like, the fact that this is, sorry, 855 processor? Yeah, because the new one's 888 processor. The fact that this processing unit is like 3 years old at this point is absolutely crazy because it works so fluently. It just has no hiccups at all, if I can speak. No hiccups at all, and it just looks so absolutely amazing. It makes me miss the Surface Zero 1 and kind of makes me think I might not go get on from the Surface Zero 1 until the Surface Duo 3 comes out. I might just rock this until the Duo 3 comes out. Because I'm going to tell you right now, like, if you guys have used the Duo 1 and you moved on, let's say, to the Z Fold 4 or maybe another cell phone, go get the Duo 1 another chance. It's something about this device that really just makes you feel... It's like every other phone is so obsolete to this phone. Like, it's absolutely insanity. And again, like I said, don't get me wrong, Surface Duo 2 is an amazing device. I absolutely love the Surface Duo 2. It has pretty much everything this phone needed. It has added to it. But it's just something about this phone that just gives me that next level. And again, it might be the bump on the back. There's not really much of a bump. Even if I take this bumper case off completely, there's no bump at all. It just feels so elegant. It also feels light. That's another thing I did in my other video. This feels so light. If you feel the Surface Duo 2, it feels premium, but it feels so freaking heavy. This one is so freaking light. Now, again, like I said, that's not always a great thing to everybody. For me, I love this phone the most because of that reason. I love how it feels. I can literally twist around my fingers without any issue at all. Surface Duo 2 is freaking heavy as heck. It's a great phone, but overall wise, this is the OG, guys. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Launcher 10 is still an absolute god tier on this phone, especially with Android 12L. It just makes it even better. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.